guys, this is Mrs. Gastler, and in this video we're going to talk about calculating with conservation of momentum. And by the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to perform calculations, and you're going to use the idea of momentum and the law of conservation of momentum to do so. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remember what the law of conservation of momentum says, and it says that the total momentum before a collision is equal to the total momentum after it. And that could be any kind of collision. Whether it's elastic or inelastic, or maybe it's not necessarily a collision, but an interaction that two objects have in an equation form. What that's going to end up looking like is this, where we're going to have P is for momentum, so P total before is going to equal the P total after. And sometimes people want to write that a little bit shorter, so they use shortened ups, T for total, I for initial, T for total again, and F for after, final. There we go, final. So PTI equals PTF. Are there any exceptions to this law? No, not really, but we have to make sure that we have a closed system. Okay, so as long as we're looking at a closed system, no, there are no exceptions. So we have to make sure for our closed system that we're looking at all the interacting objects are part of our system, and then no, there are no exceptions to this rule.